Isometric in this case refers to the tempo of the exercise. You are going to pause at the bottom of your range of motion while maintaining your posture and tension for 5 seconds during each repetition. To perform this exercise, start with the barbell suspended at waist height. Set your feet approximately hip-width apart and your grip just wide enough so your knees won't get in the way. For the lowering portion of this exercise, keep your arms glued tight to your armpits to avoid reaching, then slightly flex your knees. Once you have set this preflex in the knees, they will remain in that position for the duration of the lowering part of the exercise. Next, simply push your hips back and allow your torso incline forward without rounding your back until you reach your end range of motion. This is the same move as the dowel hip hinge. At the bottom of the range of motion, pause for 5 seconds, maintaining your posture and tension before returning to the start position. This dumbbell variation is a great option for those who may be working out at home or who do not have access to a barbell.